Hey, look! Elsa's out. Fred is here. Hi, Fred. Come, sit on my hand.
This is the invite letter of Elsa's New Year party, and the theme is to be the princess.
Oh, yes, I'll surely come. But I have to decide on the dresses first. Oh, someone is at the door. Come in. Shop is open. Hello, Aunt Barbie. I'm here to buy some gifts for the New Year party. Are you also invited for that? We need to take some gifts. Can you please help me buy some of the gifts as well? Yes, Fred had just come to give the invite for the New Year's party. Okay, take this bag and tell me what you want. I'll give it to you and then we'll pack and we'll give it to you, okay? Wow, this bag is so pretty. From where did you get it? Oh, I made that bag. Oh wow, this is so pretty. You're so talented. Can you please teach me how to make this bag? Oh yes, of course. It's very simple to make. All you need is one 10 into 4 inch paper, 7 into 2.5 inch two papers, 2 5 into 1/4 inch paper. So now for 10 into 4 inch paper, first you mark 2 inch from both the end of the longer end, okay, like the 10th part, and fold it like this. 2 inch from one side and 2 inch from the other side, like this. Now I'm using a hole punch and I have punched it across the paper. Now I'm taking 7 into 2.5 inch paper, marked half inch from the bottom, 1 inch on the both the end of the bottom and half inch on the top. Now 1 inch to half inch, I'm just marking it like this using a scale, like this. I'm now folding it from all the three sides so that we have a good edge, like this. Okay, from the bottom I'm cutting the extra part on both the ends like this, and I fold it from both the ends and removing the extra triangle like this. Okay. Now since all the ends are too big, I'm cutting the extra part from it like this. All the three sides so that it's easier to stick. Now I'm punching it across all the paper and I've done it for both the sides. I'm now putting a glue on all the three sides like this and attaching it from all the three sides to the longer paper like this, slowly. And this is all from the inner side, okay? One on this, then on this, and then on the last part. Similarly, I have done for the other side, and this way I have made the basket. Now the thinner one, which is 5 into 1/4 inch paper, two papers on both the end, put the gum and stick it on both the end like this. And we are done with making the basket. Isn't it simple? You can make it 2, 3, 4, however you like it. You can use it, you can gift it, do it whatever you want to do it. Isn't it simple? So simple to make it. You can also make it. You can share it with your friends and you can teach them also something new you have made, and you can use it to give a gift as well.